We're doing applications of geometric sequences. Applications of geometric sequences could be growth, so like bacteria, people, could be compound interest. So you get interest off your interest. All right, so we've got a city producing rubbish. It forecasts that 2% increase each year. What will be the city's rubbish output in 2027? This is the equation. Remember this equation? So, in the first year, what is the amount of rubbish? 100. So that makes N1 2023, right? So 2024 is N. So if 2023 is N1, 2027 is N5. T is the amount of rubbish that's going to be outputting in that year. And it's the 5th year. We've got 100 for T1. What's R? 1.02. If it was 1, if R was 1, what would happen to the amount of rubbish? It would always be 100, yeah? But it's increasing by 2%, so it's 1 plus the 2%, or 0.02. If we put that into our calculator, how much tons of rubbish is there? It's the power of 5 minus 1. Don't forget to write the units. The units are tons of rubbish. All right, the second one. In which year will the amount of rubbish reach 120 tons? So this time, what's 120 represent? Tn. But we don't know what n is this time. So we sub in Tn equals 120, T1 is 100, R is 1.02, and then we have n minus 1. When we get to this point, there's two ways to do it. We can either do guess and check, or you can do log. I'm going to show you both ways. So you sub in, let's try, n is equal to 9. 100 times by 1.02 to the power of 8. 9 minus 1, yeah? So not quite equal, we're very close. All right, let's try n is equal to 10. So n minus 1. All right, it's not 10. Let's try 11. It's in its 11th year. So we surpassed 120. So it's in that year, in the 11th year, it will get to 120. Because in the 10th year, it didn't get to 120, right? So it's in the 11th year, it will get to 120. You can do it that way, guess and check, or you can do logs. So we rearrange this. How do we bring the 100 over? Divided by 100 on each side. Now we've got something to a power. So we want to get the power by itself. And this is where logs come in. This divided by 100 is, and now we do log of these two numbers. So you do log of the big one divided by log of the smaller one. That's how you get rid of what you call the bottom numbers, and you're left with the power. So you end up with 9.2-ish. What do we do with the minus 1? Add it to both sides. So it's in the 11th year. Therefore, because it's greater than 10.